Welcome back to Autistic Coder. Today we're enhancing our Pokemon app by adding a feature to sort Pokemon alphabetically. This will make our app even more functional and user-friendly. Let's dive in. Sorting is a fundamental feature in many apps. By sorting data, we can make our Pokemon app more organized and user-friendly. In JavaScript, the .sort method lets us reorder arrays quickly and efficiently. Today, we'll see how to apply this method to our Pokemon data. To sort the Pokemon alphabetically, we'll add a new button labeled Sort Alphabetically below our table. When clicked, this button will trigger a function to sort the Pokemon by name. Let's add this to our app. Here's the sorting function. We use the .sort method and JavaScript's locale compare to compare the Pokemon names alphabetically. This updates the Pokemon data state variable with the new sorted order. Now let's tie the sorting function to our button. Using the onClick event, we call sort Pokemon whenever the button is clicked, dynamically reordering the table. Once the sort feature is added, click the Sort Alphabetically button. You should see the Pokemon table instantly update to display the Pokemon in alphabetical order. Great job so far. In the next tutorial, we'll add a new feature to our Pokemon app, saving your favorite Pokemon using local storage. This will allow the app to remember your selected favorites, even if you refresh the page or close your browser. We'll dive into how local storage works in JavaScript, explore saving and retrieving data, and build a personalized experience for our Pokemon app. Stay tuned, it's going to be exciting.